Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be showing you how I like to remove my Gel-X nails. So first I'm going to start by using my, I think this is from Savvyland, I have no idea, my nail drill. I'm just going to remove all of the gel nail polish from the nail. After I remove all of the gel polish, I am now going to take my nail cutter and just trim down all of the nails so it's an easier removal process when I get to removing the nails. Next, it's time to remove the actual full cover tip nails. So I'm going to use this nail remover steamer thing. I got it on Amazon. I'll try to link it down below, but I absolutely love it. I do have to kind of put my fingers in multiple times to remove any of the product, but I do still really like this method. So once all of the nails are removed, I'm actually going to take my nail drill again, and I'm going to use my arbor band, I think they're called. And I'm going to use a soft grit arbor band, and I'm going to kind of remove any residue glue or any of the excess fake nail on my nail bed. Okay, the last step of my nail removal process is to rehydrate my nails and just moisturize my nails. So I'm going to take the Kiara Sky Nourishing Cuticle Oil on all of my cuticles. I actually rub it in first, and then I'm going to go in with a hand cream. I don't know where this is from because it was gifted to me, but I really do like this hand cream. It's one of my favorites. It's amazing. So that was how I like to remove my Gel-X nails. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys in the next one. Bye!